The fourth product on this list is the Maxpray M1. The Maxpray M1 is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts looking to elevate their painting projects. Designed for both beginners and professionals, it offers speed and precision, making it an excellent alternative to traditional brushes and rollers. Capable of handling up to 10-gallon projects, this sprayer is versatile enough to tackle both interior and exterior tasks, from furniture and walls to decks, fences, and even garages. Setting up the Maxpray M1 is incredibly straightforward, thanks to beginner-friendly guides and a plethora of online tutorials. Its standout 360-degree swivel joint ensures unmatched maneuverability, while the flush ease valve simplifies cleaning, reducing post-project cleanup time to just 10 minutes. The innovative Atomax airless spray tip delivers smooth, even coats without the need for pre-thinning, minimizing overspray to save paint and costs. Its robust motor ensures consistent and professional quality results every time. The Maxpray M1 also prioritizes user comfort and safety. Accessories like the 12-inch tip extension help you reach high areas with ease, while anti-fog goggles protect your eyes. Cleaning is a breeze with the included kit, and the wrench set ensures a secure, leak-free experience. While highly effective, it may feel heavier during extended use, especially for beginners. Additionally, the sprayer's high-powered motor can be slightly noisy, which could be bothersome in quiet settings. Still haven't found the best electric paint sprayer for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications